guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is again Johnski. This is my vlog number 000 number 3. So today, first I'd like to say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. So today we're going to create a cheesy tuna a la Colette and a la John. So first, we sauteed the onions. Okay, good. That's right. So next, after sauteing the onions using the oil from the tuna, we're going to add now our boiled
potatoes and carrots.
Potatoes and carrots. Okay, good. Alright. So, this saute process will be good at least 3 to 5 minutes. At least you can see your onions are turning brown. So now, you're going to put your boiled potatoes and carrots. There. And of course, to add flavors, that's like from the title itself, cheese tuna, we have century tuna flakes and oil. We also have the Nacho King instant cheese powdered sauce that we can use. This is to add flavor. So this is almost done. Okay, so now we will saute. So by boiling your potatoes and carrots will give you the assurance that they are cooked well and they will not gonna leave a stain on your pan. So moving forward, we are now ready to pour in our century tuna flakes and oil. There. Yummy. Go ahead. And lastly, and finally, yeah, it does look yummy. It does look yummy. So, finally, we are going to pour in the liquid cheese. So, this food is really good for kids and also for the adults. Then, continue sauteing. Alright, I think one last thing to do is to taste. Okay, so one last thing to do is to taste. Come here. Come here. You will be our endorser for tonight. So you'll go ahead and taste it and tell us how does it taste.
Yummy.
Good? Yummy, nice. Good. Good job. Is it a good job? Good. Alright, so our dinner is now ready. It's called cheese tuna with sauteed potato and carrots. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and the bell icon so you're always updated with all my vlogs videos. Have a good day. Goodbye.